Have you ever wondered what secrets the black holes hold or what quasars really are? Welcome to the intriguing world of celestial mysteries, where the enigmatic black holes and quasars have puzzled our brightest minds for countless years. These cosmic wonders, with their immense gravitational pull and brilliant radiance, are a testament to the boundless wonders of our universe. Unraveling their secrets is no easy feat, but the James Webb Space Telescope is making strides in this cosmic quest. The journey to these discoveries starts with the launch of a very special space telescope. In 2021, the world witnessed the launch of the most powerful space telescope ever built, the James Webb Space Telescope. This marvel of modern engineering didn't just materialize overnight, it was the result of decades of meticulous planning and construction. Scientists and engineers from around the globe came together, pooling their collective knowledge and skills to create a telescope that would redefine our understanding of the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, is far more than just a bigger version of its predecessors. It boasts advanced technology that allows it to see further into space than any other telescope before it. Its primary mirror, made of 18 hexagonal segments coated with a thin layer of gold, is more than 2.5 times larger than that of the Hubble Space Telescope. This allows it to collect more light and observe distant celestial bodies with unprecedented clarity. The telescope's sophisticated instruments are designed to operate in the infrared range of the electromagnetic spectrum, enabling it to peer through cosmic dust clouds and observe phenomena that are invisible to the human eye. The launch itself was a spectacle. A rocket, roaring with power, propelled the JWST into space, where it embarked on a million-mile journey to its destination, the second Lagrange point, a spot in space where the gravitational forces of the Earth and the Sun balance the orbital motion of the telescope. With the James Webb Space Telescope now in space, the real adventure was just about to begin. With its powerful lens pointed towards the cosmos, the James Webb Space Telescope began its mission to uncover the secrets of the universe. With a front-row seat to the cosmic theater, this formidable telescope has been revealing the universe's wonders like never before. It has captured images of galaxies in their infancy, witnessed the violent death throes of stars, and discovered new cosmic phenomena that have left scientists astounded. One of the Webb's significant contributions to astrophysics has been its insights into the realm of black holes. These enigmatic entities, regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape, have long been one of the universe's greatest mysteries. The James Webb Space Telescope has managed to peer into these cosmic abysses, capturing images of matter spiraling into them at speeds approaching the speed of light. These observations have provided invaluable data that is helping scientists unravel the complex physics of black holes. But the Webb's discoveries don't stop at black holes. It has also been instrumental in studying quasars, the most luminous and energetic objects in the universe. Quasars are powered by supermassive black holes at the center of galaxies, and they can shine 1,000 times brighter than their host galaxy. The Webb has observed these celestial powerhouses in unprecedented detail, revealing fascinating information about their structure, composition, and behavior. These observations are helping us understand how quasars can influence the growth and evolution of galaxies, and even the universe itself. In addition to these groundbreaking observations, the James Webb Space Telescope has made countless other discoveries, each one adding another piece to the cosmic jigsaw puzzle. From detecting the faint glow of the first stars to identifying the chemical signatures of distant exoplanets, the Webb continues to push the boundaries of our cosmic understanding. These discoveries have not only expanded our understanding of the universe, but also raised new questions. As we continue to gaze into the cosmos with the help of this remarkable telescope, we can only wonder what other secrets the universe holds, waiting to be discovered. Among the most intriguing discoveries of the James Webb Space Telescope are the quasars and black holes. As we delve deeper into the cosmic wonderland, let's take a moment to consider quasars, these celestial titans that light up our universe like a cosmic lighthouse. Quasars, or quasi-stellar objects, are the extremely bright nuclei of distant galaxies, powered by supermassive black holes at their centers. They're the most luminous, powerful, and energetic objects known in the universe, outshining entire galaxies with their radiant energy. Now, you might be wondering, what's the connection between a quasar and a black hole? Well, it's quite fascinating. At the heart of every quasar, there's a supermassive black hole. As matter falls into this black hole, it forms a swirling disk of superheated material known as an accretion disk. This disk radiates tremendous amounts of light and energy, creating the bright beacon we know as a quasar. But let's not forget about the black holes themselves. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their pull. They are invisible to the naked eye, but the James Webb Space Telescope has the power to detect them by observing the effects they have on their surroundings. The data gathered by the James Webb Space Telescope is providing scientists with unprecedented insights into these cosmic phenomena. By observing quasars, scientists can study the early universe, as the light from these objects has traveled billions of years to reach us. Black holes, on the other hand, are key to understanding the fundamentals of gravity and the very fabric of space and time. So you see, the James Webb Space Telescope is not just a piece of advanced technology floating in space, it's a time machine, a cosmic detective, unraveling the mysteries of the universe one quasar and black hole at a time. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we're one step closer to understanding the mysteries of black holes and quasars. The journey of the James Webb Space Telescope is far from over. This remarkable tool, our eye in the sky, still has much to reveal. The telescope's future plans are as ambitious as they are thrilling. Scientists hope to unlock more secrets of the universe, delving deeper into the mysteries of black holes and quasars. They seek to understand the physical properties of these celestial phenomena better, to unravel the enigmas of their formation, and to explore the farthest reaches of our universe. Each observation, each piece of data, brings us a step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. But it's not just about what lies out there. The James Webb Space Telescope also has a role to play in understanding our own planet, studying its atmosphere, and the impacts of climate change. As we continue to gaze into the cosmos, who knows what other mysteries the James Webb Space Telescope will help us unravel?